The other day I watched a video from Jason Lee who talked about making money by promoting products on TikTok using AI videos. And even though I enjoy Jason's content, I have to disagree on that one. And don't get me wrong, promoting products on TikTok is a very lucrative business, especially with the TikTok affiliate program. And you can see some of the TikTok affiliate payouts from the affiliate program right here on the screen right now. But this whole thing with AI videos, I'm not sure about it. And I have data to back this up. So I'm logged into Data, which is a program that allows me to see insights into TikTok, and I can see the top performing videos, and none of the top 10 videos is an AI video. Even the top 50 videos are all organic content. None of them is made by AI. Maybe this AI video trick could work. And in Jason's defense, he's not the only one making those videos. There's so many other people making similar content. And this is not an attack on him. I actually really like his content and I watch it all the time. But I just don't think this is a very effective and successful method. So instead, I want to show you something different for those of you who are either ugly or shy or maybe both, and you don't want to show your face to promote products on TikTok and make really good money. And for those of you who are not familiar with TikTok affiliate program, I'm going to break it down really fast how it works. Basically, TikTok has a e-commerce platform within their app that's available in US, UK, and a couple countries in Asia. And you as a TikTok user are able to make money by promoting products that are sold on TikTok. So for example, there are people selling supplements that you can make a video about and promote it, or maybe some leggings or whatever else. The beauty of this system is that you don't have to worry about shipping anything, selling anything. Your only job is to make content, and people make really good money with this. As I showed you earlier, I know people that make $50,000 a month doing TikTok affiliate. So it's a very lucrative program, and I have a free video on YouTube that goes into the whole process, how to start it. So if you want to watch it, I'm going to have it linked in the description of this video. And if you want to communicate with other TikTok affiliate members, you can also go to dropshippingheal.com and join our private community on Discord to be aware about the newest thing happening in the TikTok affiliate world. So the videos that usually work very well on TikTok affiliate are very organic and almost raw videos. And this type of content is called UGC. User-generated content. It's natural. It looks like some random guy in his house made it. And this builds trust in the buyer's eyes, and you should be aiming for that. Now, I know that Jason in his video talked about creating UGC content using AI generated characters. They look very real. But the problem with those videos is that the AI character don't have the product on their hand, and you need that in order to work. And by the way, people can sense AI characters easily. People are very smart when it comes to that. I know that these characters look very realistic, but come on, you probably can sense it. I can sense it. Most people can sense it. The fake AI characters pretty fast. So if you still want to pursue this and you feel shy about showing your face, there's an alternative to it. You can still do TikTok affiliate. You just need to be more selective when it comes to your products. So for example, the top 10 product in the TikTok affiliate world right now is this projector, okay? It's actually a number 9th product for the last 30 days. And the top videos promoting this projector are not using someone's face. No one is showing the face, okay? They just show what the projector can do. So this right here is the video that's the number 1 video promoting this product. And as you can see, you don't see anyone's face. You just see some hands maybe, but that's about it. Most of the video just focuses on the projector, how it works, what it does. You can see all the apps, and it's so simple. Here's another one. Same thing. It just shows these clips from these famous movies. It has a hook, and it only lasts 12 seconds, okay? It's super fast video and to the point. And the way I look up these products is by using Data. I have a link for it down below too. Data will show you what are the top performing videos right now. And I literally just go to the video and ad tab and just look up what is trending, okay? What has been trending in the last 30 days. Sometimes I look up has been trending in the last 7 days. So it's more recent and I can find products more easily. Here's another example of a product that's booming right now and you don't have to show your face. Those are these translator earbuds where they translate Spanish to English on the go, okay? They're very popular, very cool. And as you can see, this is a top video for this earbuds and no one is showing their face. And once you find the product that you want to promote and you don't have to show your face, all you have to do is just follow the simple rule of ABC. Always be copying other people's videos. Seriously, this is not dropshipping where you need to hide yourself from competitors and avoid copying other people's ideas and videos. No. When it comes to creating UGC content for TikTok affiliates, it's almost encouraged by TikTok to copy other people's ideas. Matter of fact, if you go to TikTok affiliate dashboard, you will see that TikTok will give you ideas and it will even create the scripts from other people's videos to give you opportunity to create something similar. They want you to do that because they know that if this video has worked in the past, if you create something similar, there's a high chance it's gonna work again. I have a free video. It's 2 hours long. It goes through this process step by step. Go watch it down below in the description of the video. And once you watch it, come hang out with us on the dropshipping.com to stay updated with all the news related to TikTok affiliate work. And that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this. I will see you next time. Take care, my friendo.